Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your POCO X5. So, at the start we have to open the Play Store, and look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax. Okay, now we have to add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now just tap on the little plus and choose the source of your document. I will choose something from my gallery. Oh, I don't have any photos, so I can pick the photo. Now you can adjust the shape of your document and click arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible. You can also add a signature, the text and the graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept. And now, if you want to add more documents, maybe from other source, click the plus and do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list, and optionally can give a small note here. And now, if you want to send this message, just click on this green button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.